हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सभी। स्वागत करता हूं मैं आप सभी को मेरे अपने यूट्यूब चैनल फिटर टेक्निकल स्टडी में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन वेल्डिंग। दिस वीडियो इज पार्ट 3 ऑन वेल्डिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच पार्ट 1 and part 2 of welding because this topic is very important in all technical exams. And now this topic seems easy for you, but it is not. We have to practice more questions of welding. And hope you are loving my videos and join my telegram channel Fitter Yotha for giving the question and answers quiz of fitter. Okay, today's first question: for brass welding flux is used. The answer is borax. Very important question, friends. Second question: which machine convert AC supply into DC? The answer is rectifier set. Third question: in which welding the melting point is less than metal to be joined? The answer is hydrogenous welding. Today's questions are very important. Fourth question: by which tool slag on welding bead is removed by? The answer is chipping hammer. Chipping hammer is a very important part in welding. Okay. Chipping hammer is made of carbon steel. Its one end is sharp and the other end is same as chisel. Fifth question: another name of thermit welding is the answer is fusion welding. Common question, friends, for all technical exams. Sixth question: what is the mixture of thermit powder? The answer is aluminium and iron. Seventh question: how much temperature is generated by the mixture of thermit powder? The answer is 300 degrees Celsius. Don't take these questions lightly because these questions are very important, friends. Eighth question: how much degree angle is made by blow pipe with pipe tip with job? The answer is 60 degree to 70 degree. Ninth question: leftward technique is used for mild steel plates up to what thickness? The answer is 5 mm. Today's last question, 10th question: which type of operation is forge welding? The answer is blacksmith. Thank you friends for watching my videos. Hope you are loving my videos and इसी तरह से प्यार देते रहिए जिससे कि मैं मोटिवेट हूँ और वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. And join my telegram channel Fitter Yodha. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Love you all.